The first step is to open the DoorDash app. Set your address. Either search or select a saved address. Search for a restaurant, or browse the default options that appear. While creating this tutorial, I searched for Chipotle because that sounded good. Next, tap into the restaurant that you'd like to order from. Select the items you would like to order from the restaurant. For some items you will select, preferences and selections are required. For me, I had to select the items that I wanted in my burrito. Once you've made your selections, tap the Add to Order button. Add any additional items to your order, using the same process as before. In my case, I added an order of chips and queso. Once you're finished with adding items, tap the View Cart button. Confirm the order details are correct, then indicate if you'd like delivery or pickup. Scroll down. If everything looks correct, tap Continue. Select the delivery speed. I almost always stick with standard. Then, select a tip. There was already a service fee attached, so I selected the lowest amount, $4.50. This is still around 20%, a great tip for the service industry. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order. You will see a confirmation screen that indicates your order has been successful. You can tap into this screen to see additional order details. Details of your current DoorDash order.